Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixit channel, and basically this is a quick video to talk about the new version of Firefox. Of course, here we talk mostly of the security side of things. If you want to know more, you can go into the Windows and Computer channel to check out what's new. Mostly has to do with the address bar at the top. So this is, of course, the new version, Firefox 75, that was released today, April 7th, 2020. If you want to know if you have the latest version, simply go on the menu on the upper right corner, go into Help, and here go into About Firefox. And here you will see Firefox web browser version 75. If it's not there, you'll see it update to 75. Well, one of the main reasons why you should update to 75 if you're on an older browser of Firefox is the security fixes. Lots of security fixes, like every new version. So some high impact security vulnerabilities that are fixed that actually could be, high impact means it's easy to exploit, or if it's not exploited yet, it might already be exploited by bad guys actually. So the high impact are very important to update just to have those fixed. Of course, a few moderate is a little tougher to exploit, but it's still better to have all of that fixed and make sure that you're safe. So check it out. Firefox 75 is available as of today, April 7th, and this gives you really a lot of security fixes of high and moderate impact that will, upgrading software is an important part of being safe. Updating your browser is an important part of being safe, that's for sure. So basically, this is what happens with the latest Firefox web browser. Apart from that, it seems to work well. They talk about improved speed also a little bit. That's kind of a little difficult to quantify, but the part of the stuff here. So once again, if you want to have the latest version to stay safe, go into the upper right hamburger menu. There, go into the Help and go into the Firefox. And basically, you will actually have the browser update to 75 if it's not already done and already updated. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope that you enjoy our videos. And if you want to learn more, go to my Windows and Computer channel for a more detailed look at what's new in the browser.